Alright, here we go. Let's turn my phone right around so we can adjust our audio. Do not adjust your television set. DC Air Raiders weeks 11 through 15 actually. Um, Long submission, and we're starting it off with the final two Catalina games. Weeks 11, weeks 12, Rams and Giants. My palms are sweaty. My knee's weak. There's vomit on my sweater already. But let's get to it. I love the Rams jerseys. I think in my alt save they might be the only teams whose unis I did not adjust. Like they're sick. They're sick. Well, maybe I adjusted this one. I don't know on the right, but whatever. So DC in LA, week 11. Here we go. And I'm probably going to break up these videos, but we are recording in succession, all in a row, all at once. I'm just going to break it up for the sake of posting. I don't know if me and Hawks are going to do a Catalina video series or whatnot. I ran it by him. I forget what he said. I got dad brain. So get ready. Here we go. Glenn Case makes a great tackle, or Case Glenn. They're going to put up 3. Get things rolling here. Toss it to Gaines, top sideline. I think Cage saved me there from what would have been a pick. Oof. Slipped the tackle, but then stepped out of bounds. Long ball to Spencer. Should have kept swiping, get out of bounds, but did not. And we love when the other team has the ball first, because then we get the ball back after the half. Let's not forget that, folks. Ready, let's cheese it. Let's go easy here. Pick up 8 easy yards. We're going to punch it in with Cage. Gains for 2. Rams are going to come right back and score on us, still in the first quarter. Don't know why I swiped out, the clock had stopped. And throw him open there. Oh my god. Butterfingers there. That would have been great. Oh, did I bleh. Big 4th down. Oh, and then I just throw it incomplete because... Just because. Alright, come on. We're down 10. Late in the second half. Some screens to get some good, yard position. Field position. Oof. What is happening? I can't decide if I want to run the clock out or score or what. Let's hope we get the ball back because they already got 10 points on me. We're going to cut that down to 2, and we do get the ball back, but... Alright, cool. See what we can do with 50 seconds left on the clock. What a bad showing. Lowry's going to come away with it, who's actually up. He's a free agent next year. Got to make some tough decisions this offseason. Cool. Hopefully that brings us to the half. Typically leaving that much time left does it, and we're getting the ball back. Cage has been there every time. Oh, and I'm just going to think that I huck it out. I'm going to pick up a couple yards there. It's going to bring up a 3rd and 1. Threw it right where I wanted it, surprisingly. Screen. Sideline. We're doing the sideline shuffle. Oof. And I keep swiping right into the defender because I'm not expecting Cage to pick that up, but he's been hungry. Go for 2 here. And let's get the ball back. Come on, Monroe. Jeez. Oh, there we go. Thank you, Smith. Come on, guys. This is game 1 of 5. I'm just trying to spell rhythm with a rhythm here. Ooh, Lowry, you're slow. Ooh, I thought I was going to get Steve Clark there at the bottom to come up, and I'm going to go over the top to Gaines. Let's do it. Ooh, he's running out of steam. Longest passing play of the year. We're going to finish it off with a little chuck to Spencer. And we're going to give it back to Gaines for 2. And I want the ball back one more time. Monroe making up for being too slow. Wasn't slow there. Gets a pick. Oof, some sloppy passes. It's going to bring up a stressful fourth down. What can we do? Somebody kid it. Oh, come on. Now we have, I think, 3 timeouts, 51 seconds to go. What is that? 96 yards? 94 yards? Something like that. Oh my god. Weak start, weak finish. Damn, that's all on me. That could have been 30-point game, and I walked away with 16. But hey, it's alright. Well, it's actually not alright because it was a Catalina game, but can't win them all. And we're just gonna go through here. I dropped that down. I don't know how to, where I do. Paradis, let's praise you. Fans are alright for now. Peppers was too slow at the end of the game, so let's give him some stamina. And let's cut here, and we'll be right back for week 12.